Teachers, what's the most unforgettable parent-teacher meeting you've ever had? I'll never forget the day a quiet boy's mother came in, demanding to know why her son's grades had dropped. She was furious, insisting he studied for hours every night. I pulled up his recent assignments on my computer. That's when I noticed something odd. Every homework submission was perfect, too perfect. The writing style didn't match his in-class work at all. I started asking him questions about his homework routine. He kept glancing at his mom, looking more scared than nervous. Finally, he broke down crying. Turns out his mom had been doing all his homework for months. She'd wait until he went to bed, then redo everything he'd done that day. She thought she was helping him succeed. The worst part? She'd been waking him up early to make him memorize the answers to her perfect homework, so he wouldn't raise suspicion in class. The boy admitted he was struggling to keep up in class because he never actually practiced at home. He was exhausted from the early morning drilling sessions and terrified of disappointing his mom. His mom was shocked silent. I looked her in the eye and said, "Your son doesn't need perfect grades. He needs to learn how to learn." That meeting changed everything. She started letting him do his own work, mistakes and all. By the end of the year, his real grades weren't perfect, but his confidence was through the roof. Sometimes the best way to help our kids isn't by making things perfect for them. It's by letting them figure things out on their own.